If you learn these basic isolations at the beginning and you drill them and you get very good at them, you can build almost every belly dance movement.
My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance.
So this drill is going to take you through everything that I consider to be a basic belly dance isolation. We're going to be utilizing the following movements. So in the hips, we're going to be looking at hip slides, so a horizontal slide of the hips side to side with little to no knee movement and no up or down. We're also going to be looking at singles up in the hips. So this is all coming from the knees, and we're using the knees to push the hips up and down mechanically with the bones. We can also, of course, use our glutes as we do this to create a slightly more muscular movement. If we squeeze on the side that we're lifting, squeeze with that same glute, right? So a little bit of skeleton, a little bit of muscle there. We're also going to be doing pelvic tuck and release. So this is nice and low beneath the belly button, tucking and releasing using that pelvic muscle that we use for our basic posture, but really tucking it underneath it and then releasing it behind us gently always so that you do not crunch up that lower back too much. So a gentle tuck and release of the pelvis. And then we're also going to be doing a hip shimmy or a knee-based shimmy. We're going to be using this knee-based shimmy within the drill as well. So this one is a straight-legged shimmy where the knees are slightly bending and then pushing to the back. So I consider this to be sort of a more Egyptian style shimmy. And the last of what I consider to be the very basic fundamental isolations of belly dance is going to be our hip twist. So we'll be creating this hip twist. Once again, this is a horizontal parallel to the ground movement. Our knees are going to be pointing straight ahead in line with our toes, and this movement is coming from our obliques and not from the knees, right? If any of these movements are not familiar to you, I will refer you to my beginner belly dance isolation series so that you can check that out and be comfortable with these movements before you begin this drill. In the upper body, we are going to be looking at chest slides. So this is a horizontal slide of the chest, straight side to side with no sort of elevation change, no dipping, straight side to side in the chest. We're going to also be looking at a chest lift and drop. So this is lifting here from the center of your back, pushing the chest up, and then also contracting in the upper abdominals to bring the chest back down. So this is a lift and drop of like the rib cage, of the front part of my rib cage, chest lift and drop. We're going to be looking at shoulder pushes. So one shoulder pushing forward and the other shoulder going back as though they were attached by a rod. So shoulder pushes into shoulder shimmies. Yeah, so this is the same idea, but just a more relaxed version of that shoulder push. Once again, one shoulder goes forward, the other goes back. The last movement we're doing in the upper body is kind of a funky one, but I find it really is good for the side obliques, for some fantastic tribal movements, and even for some more Egyptian style up and downs in the chest, sort of figure eight style. So we are going to be doing little side crunches as our final chest or upper body movement. So you're thinking about contracting here in the external oblique to bring the chest down at an angle and doing the same thing at the other side of the body, right? So these little side crunches will be the last of the chest movements that we're doing.
Don't wait until January 1st to make your new year incredible. Move into 2025 with confidence, joy, and some seriously awesome belly dance moves. The Belly Dance New Year's Countdown is more than just a fun dance program. It's a celebration of self-discovery, empowerment, and community. And this special event is designed for everybody. All ages, backgrounds, and experience levels are welcome. Whether you're brand new to belly dance or looking to deepen your practice, this program will uplift you both on and off the dance floor. Start your journey to a joyful, confident new year before 2025 even begins. Join me now at sahirabellydances.com/bestyear, and I will see you on the dance floor soon.
So let me take you through how the drill is going to work on all of the hip isolations and the chest isolations. There's a bit of a pattern, and if you learn this pattern, the whole drill will instantly start to make more sense as we go through it to tempo. Everything is going to start on the right just because it's nice and easy for me to start it on the right. And then we will switch and do everything starting on the left as well. So let's say we're looking at our hip slides because that's the first movement we are going to do. So we're going to do 4 nice and slow starting on the right. It'll go right, then left, right, then left. So that's 4. And then we're going to do 7 quick with a slight pause. That's going to set us up to start the next round on the left. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pause. Same thing, 4 slow, 7 fast, but this time starting on the left. So it'll go slow, left and right, and left and right. Then 7 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and pause. From there, you'll go into the next movement, which is our hip twist. And then it'll follow that exact same pattern. 4 slow, 7 fast, always starting on the right. Does that make sense? What this is going to do is really drill in deep those basic isolations that are going to lead to clean, clear, effortless belly dance movements down the road, whether this is something that is brand new to you or you are a little bit further along in your belly dance journey and really wanting to hone those basics to continue to keep them nice and clean and strong in your dance. Okay, so let's go ahead and drill the whole thing now to music. Let's do it. Here we go, breathe it up. Take it over and down. Now bend the right knee and bend the left, nice and slow. Good, take the hips down and roll it up. Take that right arm back and the left arm back. Here we go, slip slides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 7 fast. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, other side, left and right, left and right. 7 fast. Good, hip twist. Here we go, right, left, right, left. 7 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, other side, left and right. You're getting it, left and right. 7 fast. All right, these are going to be faster hip lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shimmy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side, left, right, right. You can add the glute if you'd like. Here we go, shimmy. Next is pelvic tuck. We're going tuck, release, tuck, release. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back side, back, front, back, front. Then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, breathe it up. Take it over and down. Bend that right knee, bend that left knee. Hips down and roll it up. Take that right arm back and the left arm back. Chest slide, here we go, to the right. Right, left, right, left. 7 fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, other side, left, right, left, right. Then we'll go 7 fast. Good, chest lift and drop. Up, down, 7 fast. Hold up, take it down. Here we go, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shoulders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shimmy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Left, right, and shimmy. Good, here's our little side crunch. Right, left, make it small. Right, left, 5, 6, 7. Other side, squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze. Good, let's end with one more stretch. Here we go, take it up. Take it over and down. Bend the right knee, bend the left knee. Take the hips down and roll it up. Arms, right arm and left. Awesome job. I really hope that you enjoyed this drill. You can really make this your own. You can speed it up. You can slow it down. You can do it longer. You can add arms. Make it challenging for you and make it something that's going to level up your dance. And I promise you, if you practice this concept, these initial sort of basic movements that are the building blocks of everything we do in belly dance, everything you do from here on out will be stronger and more effortless.